Hi, I've got a SHIELDON case for my Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus today, so let's check out how it looks and do some unboxing of it. And as you can see, a really beautiful packaging. I really like this packaging. As you can see, orange box at the side and all black everything else. I mean, this is a really nice packaging. I love this packaging. And as you can see up here, updated version, 1-year warranty. It changed to lifetime warranty instead for this case, and that's amazing. And on the back side we can see SHIELDON Leather Case magnetic for Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus black. And if you go to SHIELDON's webpage, you can find excellent cases for many different phones, and especially the new one, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, is now available in leather too. And that's a really great case, and go check that out. And I will link to this case and all other cases from SHIELDON down below in the description text, so go check that out. But let's do an unboxing. Whoa! Really nice packaging. I love that. Let's see this. Man. Okay. Feels really good. And then we open this. Wow! What a packaging. Really nice. Whoa! Wow! As you can see, leather case from SHIELDON. SHIELDON logo. Wow! And as you can see here, we have some credit card pockets and a pocket here too. And here we have some packaging, and here we have kickstand cover. Designed by SHIELDON, sold exclusively by SHIELDON. SHIELDONcase.com, as you can see, SHIELDONcase.com. Nice, really nice. Let's see what's in this. To my dear customer. Really nice. I must say that this is high quality from SHIELDON. Really high quality. Okay, some instructions and so on. Service card. And a SHIELDON message about the case. Really nice. And warranty. Okay. So let's see how this will work. Should I have this left? Looks like it. And then put the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus into the case, as you can see. Magnetic. Wow! Feels very, very good, actually. Very, very good. I like that. And you can have it as a kickstand like that. Really nice. I like that. I like this a lot. One more pocket would be nice though. So I could have 3 cards, now I can only have 2, but anyway, better than nothing. So I like this a lot, actually. I don't usually use cases, but this is a really nice case, so Fool the Nature story. It's down below. So this would be a nice case to have. Again, go check the links down below and see all the other cases Shieldon has, and also where you can buy this one. A really nice case for the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. Okay, bye!